Hi everyone, I'm going to go briefly through our Unit 1 activity. This is the first thing that you're going to be handing in. If you're at the orientation, I'm probably just telling you this, but if you're not at the orientation, you're going to want to watch this video. The first assignment you have to do is the t-shirt design assignment. And for this assignment, you're going to have to use the readings, and we'll take a quick look at those, to design 3 different t-shirts. One for each each social science, so psychology, sociology, and anthropology. You need to design something that's representative of one scientist from each of those 3 disciplines. So one psychologist, one sociologist, and one anthropologist. You're going to design 3 shirts. Each shirt is going to reflect that social science and the scientist. You can do anything you want in the shirts, and I'll show you a couple examples. It could be hand-drawn, cut and paste. You could do one on paper and take a picture of it and submit it to the Dropbox. You can do one in Publisher. You can do one in Microsoft Word. A lot of different options. I'm not too picky on the options. If you need some help, email me or ask me if you're at the orientation. And then after each t-shirt, you want to make sure you write a paragraph explaining your theory and theorist. So tell me a little bit about them. Tell me why the shirt makes sense, why your design makes sense, and give me as much detail as possible in that. Okay, some examples of these shirts, as we can see here. And there's no real right or wrong answer. This shirt here is looking at the ideas of role models, and his. I'm not showing off the full text of this description. It was in a separate file, but the description went on to talk about the theories and role models. This one here was talking about structuralism, and the example was in Valentine's Day and how different social structures around the world look different depending on the culture you're in. Okay, so this was a basic. He found a clip of a t-shirt, clip art of a t-shirt, and then added in the information and then did the write-up. Here the student actually took a picture of themselves and then put in Windows Paint, I think, put some pictures on the back and then talked a little more about structuralism. Okay, so that's the 3 different shirts there. Your 3 shirts have to be about 3 different aspects of the social sciences. But if you do notice, if you go to the content and you may be tempted to skip to the assignment, you never want to do that because you won't get it. Okay, go to the content. This first area here is about social sciences, and it's giving a brief overview, but we talk about anthropology. And in the talk about anthropology, it tells you a little bit about what they do, and it tells you about some anthropologists. So you might make a Robert Merton t-shirt. You might make a Claude Levi-Strauss t-shirt. Carlo Ember t-shirt. Okay, so that's going to be your anthropologist one. As you go through the next one here, go up to the top. For sociology, you might make a Marxism shirt. You might make a Talcott Parkinson shirt. You can do a shirt on feminism. They don't have any specific people there. You can do a shirt on feminism. The next one here will be psychology. So you're going to do a psychologist t-shirt. So it might be one on Freud. It might be a Skinner t-shirt. You might do a Erickson shirt. It's your pick. Okay, but make sure along with that t-shirt design you do include a write-up describing that person. If you've got any questions, make sure you email me early rather than 11:30 on the day it's due. Okay? Have a great day.